If you're going to buy a home, unless you're sitting on a mountain of cash, you're probably going to have to get some financing. On a side note, as usual, if you have that mountain of cash, let's for sure have a conversation. All joking aside, today I'm going to go over the 4 most common financing options I come across, and we're going to try to cover these in depth. Conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA. So let's jump in right after the introduction song. Let's start with conventional loans. These are mortgage loans offered by private lenders like banks, credit unions, and mortgage companies. Unlike government-backed loans such as FHA, VA, and USDA loans, which we're going to jump into in a bit here, conventional loans are not insured or guaranteed typically by a government agency. Conventional loans usually require a higher credit score and a larger down payment compared to government-backed loans. Oftentimes we see the minimum credit score of 620 is required. Sometimes that's a little bit more. And down payments range from 5 to 20% of the home's purchase price. I'm going to come back to that in a little bit, but just keep that in mind. Conventional loans typically come in 2 primary varieties: fixed rate mortgages and adjustable rate mortgages. With a fixed rate mortgage, the interest rate remains the same for the entire term of the loan, providing predictable monthly payments. Adjustable rate mortgages, or ARMs, offer an initial fixed interest rate for a set period, followed by adjustable rates that fluctuate periodically based on market conditions. When you meet with the lender, make sure to talk about both, because one of the options might be better than the other. And I know there's a lot of fear and whatnot around adjustable rate mortgages given what happened about 20 years ago. But for some folks, they're still a great option. Talk to the lender about it. FHA loans are, well, most common amongst first-time home buyers and individuals with lower credit scores or smaller down payments, because these loans often have more lenient qualification criteria compared to conventional loans. One of the key features of an FHA loan is the low down payment. Borrowers may be eligible for an FHA loan with a down payment as low as 3.5% of the home's purchase price. Can be a pretty good deal. Again, these rates are going to vary depending upon your situation and the lender you're working with. Now let's talk about VA loans, or DVA loans, Department of Veterans Affairs. These are mortgage loans available to eligible veterans, active duty service members, and their surviving spouses. One of the most significant advantages of a VA loan is the option for eligible borrowers to purchase a home with no down payment. Additionally, VA loans often offer competitive interest rates and do not require the private mortgage insurance PMI. So it can be a great option for those of you that have served. And if you're not making use of this option, my question to you is, why not? It's a great loan option to get you into a house. Finally, let's talk about USDA loans, also known as Rural Development Loans, and they are backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. These loans are typically given in, well, rural areas. One of the main benefits of a USDA loan is the option for borrowers to finance their home purchase with little or no down payment. Pretty good deal, right? Additionally, USDA loans typically offer competitive interest rates and somewhat flexible credit requirements, making home ownership more accessible to individuals and families in rural communities. In the journey of buying a home, financing plays a crucial role, especially when you're not swimming in cash. In this comprehensive guide, I outline the 4 most common types of loan options I come across. Again, conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA. It's crucial to research and compare these options to find the best fit for your needs and financial situation. And remember, as a first-time home buyer, you don't need 20% down payment. When you're ready to take that next step in the home buying process, I'll connect you with a qualified mortgage lender who can offer valuable guidance and assistance. I've got a whole list of them, and I guarantee you one of them will be the right fit for you. I'm so glad that you joined me for this week's video. If you want to see more great information like this every week, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you found some value in this video, give it the old thumbs up. That helps out a ton. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, guess what? You can use that comment section below to get a conversation going. Again, this isn't every loan option that's available, just the 4 most common types that I see that will help you achieve your dream of home ownership. I'll be back sooner than later, and until then, be kind to one another.